Hey, what's up? So today I traded a number of stocks. Overall, kind of ended up being a wash. I did lose money overall for the day, just because of the sizes I was trading. A lot of these stocks don't really move. So like, for example, OSB, I was trading initially, kind of small size, but the stock really wasn't. It really wasn't moving. Think about it from when I started trading it at 30.60, lowest it dropped was 30.40. It's a 20-cent move. So I started to take bigger sizes on this, and then when things don't work out, commissions kind of eat into the profit or add to the loss. Um, so I took a short here, thinking it would um, drop back down the view up. This stock was up all day, so I went short, added to my position, thinking it would go down the view app. Set my stop loss, as you know by now, above the SMA. I got stopped out. Let it do its thing on the way back down. Went short again. I covered, and then like when it hit the SMA and didn't do anything on the way back down, I went short again, and instead of covering, I actually added to my position. Turns out to be a bad idea, so I added and I added, and then I was forced to cover right before the close. Um, I was really thinking this was going to go down. It did not. The one that I did the worst in was actually Yum. Yum chopped me up whole day, so I'm not even going to go through this. I just basically thinking this stock will go back down to 104 something. I went short, covered some, stopped out, went short, stopped out, short, stopped out. So basically I lost like most of my profit from Yum. If I didn't trade at Yum today, would have been a pretty good day. PRGS, I don't know if I trade this. I did PRGS. I went long, got stopped out because I set it right below this EMA. Went long again, got stopped out, hoping to make VWAP. It eventually did go back up to VWAP, and then, but I was stopped out already. So this was not. It went my way, but I should have set it below the SMA, take a smaller size. So my position sizing wasn't good enough, for me to ride this trend. So that was bad. TAL, I think I did okay on TAL. I did get stopped out, went long, stopped out, long, stopped out, long. Got some profit here, stopped out, and then I thought I was going to go back up. Sometimes it does do this, hangs around at this level and then goes back up. This did not stop me out, and then I didn't play it again. So that was TAL. OSB we just talked about. Pins I did alright on. So pins, actually on the 5-minute, it dropped the entire day, never made it back to VWAP. So I figured it may be time to go back up to VWAP at this point in time. So I went long, pretty heavy. I think 1,500 shares on the way up. I scaled out some, and then I got out most here, and then got some more on the way back down, which is good because it actually didn't make it to VWAP, and then it basically belly flopped. I went all the way back down. So I made money on pins. And then last one was play. I made a lot of money on play, even though I gave most of it back to Yums. But again, anticipated a reversal. It didn't happen, so I got stopped out. And then I decided to take it short, and I got stopped out. So after that stopped out, I went long, and I got stopped out really quickly. So then I didn't do it for a while, for 15 minutes. Then I saw, okay, now it's going to do a cross. So I went long, hit this level because it was sort of stuck between these two. I got out some just to get some profit, and then on the way down, I got out before it dropped all the way down. And then I went back in after I saw that it did drop, poke through my break even. I would have stopped out anyway if it hit that, so it doesn't really matter. Broke through, and then on the way back up, now I think it's gonna go back up. So I went back in again, this time heavier, and then I set my stop loss basically down around this level. So 46, probably 46.40. So probably around that level, and then on the way up I scaled out last piece. A little past the VWAP. So that was pretty much it. This was my best play. I don't know why I kept playing Yums. It was a strong stock. It was just stupid. So yeah, if I stuck to just play, it would have been better. But anyway, so that's it. Hope other folks did better than I did. So yeah. Anyway, feel free to like and subscribe.